Hi guys, I hope you are great. Please don't mind the camera angle. I just checked in. It's a lot going on. I'm hungry. It's a lot going on. So let's do a quick room tour and then we can progress on with the video. I'll be staying here for some time. I thought I'd do a review of the hotel in case you're looking for lovely aesthetic spots to stay at in Nairobi. So welcome. So I finally had something to eat, somewhat as grumpy as before. Do I have any reviews about the lunch? The lunch was okay. The food was okay. However, the naan was trash. TRASH. Yeah. In other news, I have 45 minutes to get ready for a gala night today. So hopefully I'm able to make it within the time period. I'll try and incorporate some get it with me clips if I'm able to. Yeah guys, catch you guys later. Guys, this is mirror 1. This is mirror 2. This is mirror 3. All in the bathroom. And look at the natural light that's outside. This is every content creator's dream. I love it. But this is the look. Let me rush before she leaves me. I hope your day is coming along great. This is day 2, my final day, unfortunately. So my plans for today, I want to go have breakfast and then spend my afternoon by the pool, soaking up the Nairobi sun before it becomes scorching hot. Yeah, I mean, it's well deserved after a very, very, very heavy work week. So yeah, let's go have breakfast. Morning. Have this pastries. The potatoes, trash. Poolside ready. Guys, we have come to the end of this video. I have come to the end of my stay here at the Boma Hotel. So far so good. I've not experienced any major mishaps. Would I recommend it? Yeah, I'd also love to come here for a second time just to experience it again, because things are always different. So yeah, if you and this is the first vlog that I have done. So if you liked it, please feel free to like, share, subscribe. Till next time.